Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use the ElevenLabs for voice cloning as a beginner. Let's get started. First, go to the ElevenLabs official website and sign in to your account. Next, go to the Voice Lab section. Then here, click on the Add Voice and you can choose the instant voice cloning. But take note that the voice cloning feature is not free and you need to have an upgraded voice cloning or 11 Labs Pro version to enable to access that feature. And to have the instant voice cloning, you can upload a clear audio sample of your voice that you want to clone. Make sure it's high quality and has a minimal background noise. And once uploaded, give your voice a name and save it. Now go back to the text to speech section and select your cloned voice and type your script and click generate. The 11 Labs will convert your text into a realistic voice using the cloned voice. Preview the audio, you can adjust the settings if needed, and download the final output. And that's it. That's how you use 11 Labs for voice cloning. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.